Alright YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video, and I'm gonna try to make this one kind of quick because I am short on time. I want to get this video out for you guys today. So yeah, today we're going to be making these coin icons right here. I think these are really nice, as you can see. And yeah, let's get right into it. I'm gonna start off with the eyedropper tool right here. I'm gonna pick on this color. For this background, I'm gonna click on my background layer, and now I'm gonna hit Alt and Backspace on my keyboard, so we fill our background with this color. Next, let's go new layer right here, and now we're just gonna take our ellipse tool. I'm going to click anywhere, click and hold, and I'm gonna hit Shift and Alt on my keyboard, and just drag out our shape, as you can see. Now we can't see it because the fill, so change this to white. We're just gonna move this right here so we can see. Alright, next I'm just gonna copy this layer, Control J to make a copy, just so I have this for a backup. Anyways, right click, go to blending options right here. Now we're gonna hit gradient overlay, blend mode, normal, opacity 100, angle 90, and click on this box, double click on this ticker right here. We're gonna click on the bottom color, hit OK, double click here, hit the top color, and now we have something like this. Okay, now we could do inner shadow. The color is going to be white, opacity all the way up, choke all the way up, distance is down for now. I think angle -90, and we're just gonna move this up. Alright. Let's go to overlay mode. As you can see, you can lower the opacity just a little bit. We could add a second inner shadow. This one, let's go for angle 90 instead. So this one is coming from the top, as you can see. Alright, those are good to me. Next, let's copy this layer. So let's hit Control J on our keyboard. Let's hit Control T to scale. Let's hold Shift and Alt, and we're just gonna scale down to about here. Let's right click, let's go into blending options, gradient overlay, click, double click, and now we're going to select this color right here. Okay, double click here, now we're going to select this color. Now you can kind of see how this is coming together. We're going to turn off the inner shadows here, just like that. Alright, looks good to me. Let's copy again, Control J, Control T, scale this down. Can't really see it, that's okay. For this one, we could take the FX icon. Let me show you guys right here. If you take this, drag it down to the trash can, this will remove the effects. We could double click on this icon and click on this orange color on the inside, like that. Alright, perfect. That looks really good to me. Alright, now the inside part is pretty easy. Let's go Control J to copy, Control T, scale this down a little bit, holding Shift and Alt. Okay. Now we could copy this first layer. So right click, copy layer style, right click and paste. So now we have this, as you can see. And all we gotta do is just adjust these little effects a little bit, like that. Okay, all right. So now let's scale these a bit better, so it looks better. All right, and this should be bigger as well, something like that. Just some slight adjustments. Let's go ahead and adjust this a little bit too. And you see there is a line across it. Let's copy this layer, Control J. Okay. Hide the previous. Let's right click, convert to smart objects. Let's hit new layer. And now let's go to our rectangle tool. So click and hold. Make your color black. And we're just gonna go right across the center, like that. And we're gonna right click, create clipping mask, and let's go overlay and lower the opacity. Or actually normal should So now as you can see, we have this. You can take all these, click on the first layer, the bottom one, hold shift, click on the top. Let's hit Ctrl G on our keyboard to group, Ctrl J to copy, hide this, right click, convert to smart object. Now we have this, we can right click, blending options, and we can add a drop shadow for this effect down here, normal, spread, up, distance, that, and just lower the opacity. So as you can see, we have a very nice gold coin. What you could do is you could copy this, scale down. If you copy it and Control U, turn off the saturation, you could fix these colors up a little bit too. I'm just adjusting the silver one here. As you can see, now it looks really good. So yeah, that is going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out our store. We don't have many products right now, but just check it out anyways. We're going to have a lot in the future. I'm talking about hundreds of products. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I'm gonna try and upload daily and be active for you guys and making more content, reacting to your stuff as well. So yeah, join our Discord, link is down below. With that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.